Hello everyone. As you know, time to time we come and update you and share the different kind of information. Today we have very important information because it is related with money. It is related with commission. So let me tell you, in Atomy we are having PV reflection date. What does it mean? It means even if you buy today, you can still change the PV date, reflection date, yesterday or even tomorrow. For example, we are opening on 11th. Thursday is 12th. Thursday, 12th. Then on that day you are buying some products. You can put the PV reflection date on Wednesday, even on the same day or even the future day. Why we have given this kind of choice? Because in case you miss something, in case you are buying every day, Atomy is the only company where we are giving the commissions per day basis. So if you miss to buy today, then you can still adjust tomorrow on today's day. Isn't it a very much beneficial? We want you to get the commission. That is why the system is made like this. One more thing, Atomy wants you to spend time with your family on Sunday. Don't work every day. Sunday take rest. So if you are buying on that day, how the PV reflection date will be? First of all, on the same day, as we are not doing business on the day and no commission will be generated on Sunday. So on Sunday if you buy, you can change the date as a PV reflection date on Friday or Saturday or Monday. So previous to previous day of Sunday, previous day of Sunday, and then next day as a Monday. Then what if on Monday, if you are buying on Monday, then on the same day on Monday, you can click PV reflection day, or the previous day which is Saturday, or the next day which is Tuesday. You can set as a PV reflection date. Remember, not only these changes is applicable to you, but also your downline. If he or she changes the PV reflection date, it will be applicable to you. Means if your downliner changes the PV reflection day as yesterday, then your calculations depending on him or her will be reflected on yesterday. So this is very important things, because Atomy is only one kind of company where we are giving this kind of facility inside your account. Okay, next thing, we are going to provide you a PDF file which will be inside your account, where you can download your ID card. In the ID card, your ADN will be there, your name will be there, and member since when, ADN since when will be there. Like Aadhaar card, you take the plastic printout, you can bring this PDF file and you can make plastic ID card from any of the shops. Also, about the agreement, the PDF version of the agreement will be available inside your account. Both the things we are trying as soon as possible we launch. It can be little delay, but it will be available. Beside this one, there were many questions regarding inventory. They were asking, will there be any limit? Excuse me. Will there be any limit per day? Per day means whether I can buy this much. Let me tell you, we don't have a per day limit for our distributor. But as our chairman, Dr. Han Gil Park says, do not do betting. Do not bring the inventory from company to your home. If you don't have a customer to sell, do not buy only because of your mastership or only because of your bonus. Please do not do this. If we find it out that someone is ordering because of to make his mastership, we may block, we may cancel the order. So think and order. We don't have a per day limit of a particular invoice or particular account, but we will have a quantity limit. For example, we will set 1000 frame per day selling. That kind of limit will be there. As you know, during the corona, all the products are coming and it is coming slowly. It is taking time. One of our ship is stuck now in Malaysia because in that ship somebody got corona. So they are standing on the sea, cannot move anywhere, quarantine, 14 days. Similarly, this kind of problem is there. So we have a limited inventory. We will be dividing and per day quantity limit will be there. I wish your success. I wish you be successful every day. You be successful every month. You be successful year after year. Our wish is there. I wish your successful life. I will be coming again and again to give you some important information which is beneficial for you. Thank you.